Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your game progress on your Xbox Series X. So maybe you want to go ahead and just restart a single player game. Well, it's very easy to delete the saved data. So you can just locate the game on the home screen here. Otherwise, you can go to the game and then press options on it. So just press the button with the 3 lines on it. And then go to manage games and add-ons right here. And select it. And then you can see this is Call of Duty. We can select it right here, and this will be like the main game file. So I can see DMZ, campaign. I can delete a specific part of the game if I no longer want it on there. But if we go on back, we can go to save data right here, and this should be our saved games on here. So if we had like the campaign data or something like that, we can completely delete it from this section, and then we can relaunch the game and then start it back up. So we can go over it now, and then we can select it, and we can go to delete on the top here. So it says clear reserve space. Otherwise, we can go to delete all right there. So once you delete that data, you should be good to go. Now, another thing is if you do have like Xbox Game Pass or something like that, you might need to delete it off the cloud storage too. Otherwise, it might download when you try to get back up on the game. So just be aware about that too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.